Do you want to go somewhere today? After our stay in the yurt last week, we took a drive to the Willamette National Forest to hike to a couple of frozen waterfalls. The trail was hike at your own risk, so we had to be extra careful in the ice. We highly recommend snowshoes if you aren't used to hiking in the snow. The first waterfall is Salt Creek Falls, which is Oregon's second highest waterfall, and it's right at the beginning of the trail. The hike to Diamond Creek Falls was moderate, with some harder areas due to icy conditions. We recommend this hike to more experienced hiking dogs. Toward the end of the hike, Scarlett was tired and too afraid to jump over this big log, so we carried her over it. After a few miles, we finally made it to our second waterfall, Diamond Creek Falls. Scarlett rates this trail 2 paws up. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next adventure.